Chairman jong Grand Council of Chiefs uba John F. Kharshiing ula kentu ke Sarkar Jilla ban penteri kami ke economic policy ke ban nek ban kring ya ke jing baiting ka jong ki riushimet ula banjur halor ke jing kong san jong ke jing ai peteng wat lada kelas Sarkar ru ban ula ai jing mut ban thau ke land bank ban ya le ke jing jong ke jing bam don kam don jam bat ban kentiu ki karkhana Uba Kharshiing ula kedoru halor ke jingdon kam ban peneso ya ke Meghalaya Economic Development Council but ke invest Meghalaya Authority kenang ban pinbet iki jing ke bede ke lantanyo.
To have people who will think long term and think of how to provide jobs, right? Now, if you want somebody to come and invest here, you have to make it look attractive. Right, so we've set up IT parks, but that level, then there's, like I said just now, there's 1,51,000 who have applied for constable's post. We have no idea whether whether their employability of what level, right? So these are the things which are facing us, and I feel that if the Economic Development Council can be activated to review this, to discuss the investment plans, it will be a great help.